Let's take a look at our Boss PX01 12-volt oilless air compressor. The package includes 2 spare air filters and a wiring loom complete with an inline 20 amp fuse. Also included are rubber anti-vibration mounts and a pre-mounted check valve with 1/4 inch female fitting. For those of you interested in specifications, the flow rate is 1.31 cubic feet per minute, maximum working pressure of 150 psi and a maximum current draw of 12 amps and a 15% duty cycle at 100 psi. This compact compressor is ideal for under bonnet and confined space installations.